Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Take advantage of their Prime's fast free shipping and get one of these in no time. There we go. I'm about to see what's inside. Alright. Here. There we go. Alright. There we go. That was easy. And this is gonna be wireless IP camera. Oh yeah. Night vision. Day and night encryption, motion, IP66, iOS, Android, compatible. Should be easy one to hook up, just like the other. It is just like the other. Huh. All right. This is coming from, who is this one from? Not really sure who this, I'll probably say, okay, here's this one. A-Zone. So kind of like the other one, the Green Garden Eye in the last video a couple days ago. Really nice. Got the wireless. Here's the antenna. Got these. Got the little packet, the screws, the antenna, and the manual, and a screwdriver too. That's a good bonus. And it comes with one of these. Knock it in to make it tighten on the bottom. Show you guys. So you just screw it. Put it there. That over there. Open this guy up. But these are really easy to set up. Super fast. And they have that easy to hook up. So you guys might want to add it to your wish list. Come back. Or you could add it to your cart now. Make a purchase. Get a couple for your home. Your parents' home, grandparents. Quick guide. So, like I said, it's pretty easy. All you gotta do is go on your iOS or Google and type in YIOT. I'll show you guys. Or you can scan those two QRs. iOS on the left, Android on the right. Scan me. And I'll tell you a little demo video too if you want to scan that. But make sure you know your Wi-Fi password. Sometimes I get confused because I have so many different passwords. And like I said, it's really cool. You can use it on tablets, MacBooks, iPads, computers, monitors. I got similar setup like that. I'm just using the wall off of a projector, one of those Android projectors. So if you guys got one of those would be perfect for. And also, I'll leave the link down below for that projector. Definitely a sweet one to have, especially for these cameras. And you can just watch it on your phone also. So right here, bada boom. There it goes. There you go, nice and easy. So you get it nice and secured. But yeah, the clarity and the quality of the recordings is sweet. Definitely a nice one to get. Oops, that didn't work too well. There it goes. Sometimes you gotta try. There we go. See, Yeah, definitely easy to install. There's the bottom what it looks like. Speaker. I think that's for the memory card. And then there's the front lens. But we already seen that right there. That'd be good. Let me clean up for a second. Got the cord. Power cord. Hopefully not too long of a video today. Might be a short one, so. But definitely no ads, so grab some popcorn and relax. And like I said, we got a plug right here really fast. And then I'm gonna grab my other phone, my backup phone, so I could show you guys on I got an Android, so I'll show you guys how that works. Oh, easy desk. See if you guys can see it right away. Should. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Damn, I'll get it together. There we go. You gotta just adjust like that. See? You can just find your angle you want it. Especially when you're installing it, that'll probably be better. Just looking it off your phone where you want your camera positioned nicely. But yeah, definitely the clarity of the cam is really nice for, I think it's under 100 bucks. These are definitely under 100. But like I said, I would scoop at least a few, at least 4. Get 2 in the front, 2 in the back, or 1 on your garage. Would be really nice to have these, especially with the waterproof and everything. That's how crazy the world's getting. See right here, we got the reset button. Sometimes they go out because of storms and whatnot, but barely you'll have a problem with it by just capping it. What I gotta do. See? Boom, capped, sealed. No leaks, no short circuits. Plug in, take the cord. I got a little extender right back here. Should light up really fast. But I'll just grab my phone. I'm gonna pause you guys. See the LEDs? That's what it looks like at night. Got night vision going. But yeah, like I said, I just gotta go grab that phone. See, it'll make all these noises. It'll beep for a second till I grab the phone, so I'm gonna pause you guys. Alright, we are back. We got the other phone. I got the Note 9. About to get the 10. So, I just gotta find Play Store. And it's Y. Sounds like you're in the hospital. YIOT. Here we go. Once you pull it up, that's what it looks like. Do. That's the old one. Alright, hold on. Alright, I'm gonna add. So, right here. And we heard the beep. Like I said, it sounds like those heart monitors. Double click. Oops, can't see my password.
Please face the QR code towards the camera lens and wait for it to scan. Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Bada boom.
Wi-Fi is connected.
Alright.
Pairing is successful.
Sweet.
You can start using your camera now.
See? A-zone. A1 steak sauce right there. Got the boom.
Pairing is successful.
That's what
You can start using your camera now.
So we'll just label it. You could call it what you want. So if you put it in your backyard, you could put backyard cam, office cam, storage, patio. Sounds good. Probably somewhere outside. But it's kind of hot right now, so I might do it later. But it's already pretty much set. Save. Make sure you save it. Share it with your family members. Cloud service you could subscribe to. You don't have to, but it'll help. Or unless you probably do the memory card. Boom. Oh yeah, look at that. And that should be in night vision, yep. See, clear. It's so clear. See, went to night vision mode. And oh boy, I went past 10 minutes. Sorry about that, YouTubers, but definitely check these guys out. A-Zone, I'll have the links down below. Really cool security camera. Got the whole works in it. Got everything you need. Clear picture. And you can always do it sideways. You can flip it. Bada boom. If you're ghost hunting, that'd be kind of cool. But as you guys can see how easy it was to install. Anyone can do it. Just might want to help your older folks doing this install, like climbing the ladders or stuff like that. So, but I think Amazon offers services like that. So I'll leave the links down below for that too. So you guys be safe, have a good day, and have a good weekend. See ya.